Hello everyone, welcome to 𝒑𝒂𝒊𝒄𝒄 kitchen living and gardening. Today's recipe is gluten-free, vegan, healthy and delicious. Today we are making flaxseed wraps with millet, that is Bajra, and tasty pumpkin soup. If you have tried making flaxseed wraps before and they usually break, today's tip is you have to use the finest flaxseed powder or grind the flaxseed powder to a finest powder along with the binder. And for pumpkin soup, take 3 tomatoes with 250 grams of pumpkin, boil these. Let's start making the flaxseed and millet wrap. Add 1 cup of water in salt and bring this water to boil. Add turmeric, pepper and dry oregano for a nice flavor for the wraps. Don't use cold water, this is the tip. Get this mixture done and now add around 2 cups of pearl millet flour, that is Bajra flour in Hindi language. So switch the flame off once this mixture gets mixed properly and it turns into a good dough. Keep stirring until you get a smooth dough. Rest this dough for 10 minutes and then grease a plastic wrap. Take the dough ball and roll this out into thin chapatis. I'm using only one hand because my one hand is recording this video. If you want same size tortillas and the perfect tortillas you want, then you have to cut this out in the same shape using a pan lid. They will not break when you lift these up to cook and after cooking while you roll. If you want your tortillas not to break while rolling these, you got to make these super soft, not crispy. In a saucepan, add a little oil and you can cook zucchini or the vegetables of your choice to stuff into these tortillas. Another tortilla I am making without cutting, and these are the vegetables: tomatoes, avocado, onion and the zucchinis which I have sauteed. So you can layer the tortilla wrap by first layer of hummus or any sauce. They are ready to eat. Cut this in half. Your healthy keto meal is ready to eat. In today's video, I have also cooked simple, easy, tasty pumpkin soup. These are the vegetables which I have just boiled in a little bit of salt. Now I am adding oregano. I have blended these into a smooth paste. You can add butter or vegan butter if you like, or margarine. Stir this, add salt if you like, and add pepper. If you wish to add more herbs, you can add these. I am adding fresh celery from my home garden. The celery leaves gives totally unique flavor to the soup. Serve the soup hot and enjoy with your family. I will meet you guys in another episode with another recipe. So stay tuned to 𝒑𝒂𝒊𝒄𝒄 kitchen living and gardening and enjoy your healthy meals. Bye bye and take care.